Hey loves, it's your girl Caressa, aka MissRessaT, and I'm back with another video. We have another lock video, so shout out to that. Thumbs up if you're feeling that content. Let's get the formalities out of the way. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're old here and just been watching, hit the subscribe button. Come on over to the channel, the MissRessaT family. I would love to have you here. I appreciate your presence very much. I make videos for plus size women. I also make videos for locks. I make videos about lifestyle, fashion, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that, definitely follow and hit the bell and all that good stuff. Excuse me, hit the train in the background that's kind of throwing me out. But we got to keep going, okay? Follow me on all social media networks. Thumbs up this video. Leave me a comment down below because I have a hair appointment in like 20 minutes. So I need to hurry up and do this intro. But I wanted to sit down before I went into the salon to talk about what I'm doing today. So today I am getting lock extensions. So yes, I have recently done a 3-year update video. I have gone 3 years. I started my locks off naturals, did not have any extension or anything in my hair. It was just pretty much me. But I have had several locks that have just been disappearing, just been falling, popping off, falling off, different things like that. So I have quite a few over the front of my hair and a few in the back of my hair. So it was perfect timing that I heard from this company called Exyhair. I've never heard of them, but they were like, we can get you, we ship in 2 to 3 business days. Okay, first of all, major plus. And they sell hair, of course, all kind of different hairs. But what was interesting to me was the dreadlock extensions. So what I got from them was the Afro Kinky Human Hair Crochet Dreadlocks. I got mine in the 10-inch. That was the shortest inch offered. And I got in 0.4 centimeters. And I got mine in the natural black. So I went ahead and got natural black because for what most of the part, if it's not bleached, then my hair is naturally black. So this is how the lock looks. Very nice and neat. How I wish all my locks look. This is how it looks at the top. Doesn't that look like hair? Like this is me. Oh Lord, about not the glasses on. This is my hair. This is another one that needs an extension on it. So that's comparison my hair to that hair. Looks pretty freaking good. So I'm going to get my opinion of my loctician, but these are what we're going to be installing today in my hair. I got the 10 counts. So I got 2 10 counts. So hopefully that should be enough. I don't think I've lost 20 locks, but that should be enough. As far as being 10-inch, that is about average with the back of my hair. Now the front of my hair is a little shorter, so we're going to see how they fall in line. If they need to be cut or anything. But that is the shortest length that they had. They do have other colors. They did have already some that was blonde. I thought about that since I may be getting my color again. But they're supposed to be all natural kinky, so they should bleach whenever I do decide to do that again. But I won't be doing that today, so I won't be testing that out. But I just went ahead and got the black because I also just kind of enjoyed the black pieces that are also in my hair. So it was really nice. It came with a free gift with some lashes. So both of the packs came with that because I got 2 packs. Like I said, the shipping was super fast. Like I said, it came in 2 to 3 business days. Like literally, and I got these and they hit me up. It was like divine intervention that they hit me up literally 2 weeks before my appointment. And I was like, okay, this is this wasn't going to come anytime, but it came in 2 to 3 business days for us. So shout out to that. So we're going to be trying out Exyhair. Like I said, I'm going to let my loctician also give her opinion on the hair since she is a professional. I think it looks good. We're going to see what it looks like in my hair. So yeah, come to the salon with me. All right, this is my loctician. If you've been watching me, you should already know. This is Kelly, Miss Gifted Hands. Of course, I always have her information. It's her first time seeing the locks from Exyhair. So what you thinking? It looked good. It's tight. Whoever did it, they took their time, and it's not stiff. That's good. It doesn't have a smell. But you know what I do want to know? What it is?
if the hair could be colored.
And I said that. Then I said that to y'all. I said, I'm not sure. Because they did have a blonde option. And I said, I got the black. But I wonder when, because eventually I will get back my color again. Will it be able to be colored?
It says natural black.
It says, yeah, that's natural. I don't know if that means it's natural. But other than that, not know if it's colored, it looks pretty good.
It looks, yeah, it's a natural black. And it's not stiff. I like that it's not stiff, because a lot of times with the lock extensions, it's stiff and the hair is not really flexible and it's not hard. I like that. So it should be good.
I really like it.
And it's the same length as your long.
Yeah, and that was like, I know it's perfect for the back, but I ain't know about the front, but it might equal out.
Yep. I think you'll be fine.
All right.
We'll install it and see what it do.
And I'll come back on when she installed one. This is just showing you guys one more. Show you how she attached it. Loosen up some of my hair on my locks to match the loosened hair on the top of the extensions, and then using the Insta-Lock tool to put them together, twirling it around, all that good stuff together. I am back to finish off this video and give my review on the FC, sorry if I'm saying the name wrong, lock extensions. So yeah, you saw them get installed. It is now probably, what, a week and a half later. And so I've had them in my hair for some time now. So in the front, I think it's very obvious where the extensions are, simply because my hair in the front is like blonde because it was bleached, and these are not. They're also a lot wider than my locks. My locks are very skinny, so you can see the difference there. But I'm not going to judge the review on that because, I mean, it would be nice if they had skinnier locks. I did get the smallest size. That was the 24 centimeters. Any information, I have it on the screen if I'm saying it wrong. I think 10 inches long. I did cut these ones in the front. Some of them my loctician cut. Some of them I cut more myself. I also do have, you can't even tell the ones in the back. They blended very well. I can somewhat tell by the way it feels. Let me see if I can find one from the back, but overall it looks like locks. I will say I am going to get an Insta-Lock tool to like, I don't know, they were curled, so I really can't tell if it was already like not a great transition. So I don't know if that's because of, you know, how they were put in or whatever. But they are secure. They're not going anywhere. They haven't gone anywhere. But I would like to clean up how that looks. So I'm going to get an Insta-Lock tool to do that. But as far as the locks itself, not application or anything, just the locks itself, I really do like them. They feel and they look like real locks. If they weren't another color, I don't feel like you could really tell. I have yet to get them dyed, so I cannot tell you if they do color or not. You just have to subscribe and continue to watch, because I will eventually get my hair colored again. They did have blonde. They did have I chose to get a 2. I believe this is a 2 color, but they did have the blonde, but I don't know why I did not get the blonde. Like, I don't know why I didn't get the blonde. I know I had black in my hair, but I should have got the blonde because the front of my hair is mostly blonde, except for the roots, really. So that was on me, but I'm not mad at it. I will say the curls, and I had got these curls put in when I got the extensions put in. I do have to curl these every day. Like this one, I did not put the pipe cleaners back on, and as you can see, it has not held the curl very well. The rest of my hair is still good and curly, and like I said, it's been a week and a half later, so only the ones with the lock extension part are not as curly. This one I did put a pipe cleaner on, so it is. So that will be the only thing I will say. As far as this style, as far as curling them, it did not hold as well as my real hair. But I don't know. I don't have anything to compare it to, really. So I don't have a complaint with them. I really don't. I wish it did hold my curl a little better, so I don't have to curl it every time. But does it hold a curl? Yes. So can you style them? Yes. Does it feel great? Yes. My hair is very lightweight. It's not heavy. And I have like 10 extensions in here. Maybe not 10. I think I have 6 extensions in here, 7 in the front, and a few in the back. So I'm gonna have to give this a thumbs up. I don't know, like I said, I don't have anything to compare it to, but here's an extension from the back. This is one you can tell because the curl is longer, and I probably would cut this. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that one. And you can't even tell like that I chopped the ends off of these. Like, these look great. Like, they legit look natural. If it was my same size in my lock, it would look even more natural. So shout out to this company. Shout out to SB. See, this is one that's all black. Look how good that looks compared to, well, that's a purple one. But this is another black one. So yeah, you can see it matches my back hair perfectly, because my back hair is a little thicker than my front hair. That's because, you know, if you watch my updates, and you already know how I started off my locks. So yeah, I am happy. I am happy with my results, and I'm glad that I can style them. They do curl. Like I said, you may need to add some product to it. I might try to add some product to it and see if it hold the curls longer. But overall, it looks great. I have all my hair one length now, because y'all know my fronts were like right here, like bangs. So they're all one length, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, I'm gonna give these extensions 2 thumbs up. They do not smell like, they just really, it really feels like hair. It really feels like hair. So I will, like I said, stay tuned to see when I get these bleached and see if they do bleach. Hopefully they do. Hopefully they take color well. And sorry I don't have that part of the review, but baby, I couldn't do all that in this hair salon trip. But yeah, I will leave all the information for these extensions in the description box if you're interested to it. I should have a discount code, something like that, I'll put on the screen for them. My loctician very much approved them. She gave them a thumbs up, and I'm going to give them a thumbs up too. They look very natural. They had come in various sizes, various colors to get how you want and customize. So yeah, if you need some assistance like I did, my locks popped off and I cut a few off, so that's why I need extensions. Or if you're looking just to start the extensions, you know, if you want to start your lock journey that way, you're looking for extensions, I highly recommend them. The price was great, the shipping was great. These shipped in so freaking fast, like 2 to 3 business days. Like, it was very quick turnaround, great product. I love the customer service. The free eyelashes were a cute touch. I really enjoyed that. So yeah, any questions, let me know. I don't be knowing what y'all be wanting to know about the locks. I just know they look good. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. It's me, your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share. Smooches.